Oh no, blocked by lava. Hello everyone and welcome to day, what is it, 15 of my Iceland trip. Today I'm starting progressing east back towards Seyðisfjörður, but I expect to use some days to get there. And yeah, I got my rain gear on today, not because it's going to rain, or I don't think so at least, but because it's a terribly cold wind. So I'm practically using them as a wind stopper. So yeah, I just have to fix my navigation and then we go. So yeah, as I said, I'm starting to make my way back towards Seyðisfjörður. Before starting, I'll do a quick excursion towards Grindavik, which is very close to here, and see if I can see how close you can get. If you can spot the new lava and the lava walls they are building. I know the road is closed, but I think I can go a part of the way and then take off in another direction. So we'll just see. Just got really windy. I was practically, yeah, my bike was practically sideways. I had to lean against the wind so much. Yeah, you have these gusts coming, so it's like, no, it's perfectly fine, and then suddenly there are really powerful gusts. Yeah, so I took off from the road to Grindavik because it said it was closed, but yeah, it was closed at 15 kilometers from the place I took off, so I probably should have followed it until the closure. But yeah, I'm going in from the other side now, where the Blue Lagoon is. So oh, I'm guessing I should be able to see something from that side. Yeah, I have no idea where I'm going right now. I'm just following the navigation. I plotted in some points last night, but yeah, I think this is the Kalimoto take the windy roads thing that's kicked in. But it's nice. Having to charge it now because it's well, I could have waited some more, but I really could use a break from all this wind and breakfast. Yeah, I think it's about time. So there should be some chargers in this area here, so I'm just going to pull in here and see if I can find one that's available. Let's get some fuel. Right, that was a nice break. So now we can move on. Get on with the day. So right now I'm going to follow the road to the Blue Lagoon. And yeah, the Blue Lagoon and Grindavik, and see how far we get that way. And then I'm going to head east. Check out some attractions on my way. Right, we are here. Is that must be the power station then? And yeah, here is the lava wall, I guess. Yeah, so the road used to go there, right into the lava. And they just built a new one around it, I guess. Wow, look at all that. Yeah, this is all the new stuff from the latest eruptions. And apparently they are waiting for a new eruption to take place any minute now, or any day now. But it keeps delaying. Keep out. Damn it. That would have been so cool to go up there. Oh, there is there is part of the road, the old road. Yeah, so I guess we are at the Blue Lagoon now. Judging from the amount of cars and buses. Okay, let's go up here. Just for fun of it. Driving through the wall. So I guess when the eruption comes, they're going to close it off to divert the lava stream. Here is yeah, some of the blue water. So this is the power plant that kind of is the cause of this cool blue water. Oh no, blocked by lava. So this is the, I guess this is the old road into the Blue Lagoon. That's all, yeah, the lava took the road. Okay, let's head back. Yeah, that was really, really cool to see some pretty fresh lava. Awesome. Now we can go east. Right, nice. That was awesome. Amazing to see how the lava just makes its own path across anything in its way. Sad, of course, for the people in Grindavik. That's not going to move back home anytime soon, as it appears. But it's also totally awesome to look at. Now, if we got an actual eruption on top of it, that would just, yeah, I don't really care anymore. It's been so great without it. Got a new charging and tea break coming up in, yeah, how long is it? About 1.5 kilometers. Yeah, I need another break, and the bike also needs to get some juice in. It's a bit exhausting to ride in all this wind. DJI is failing me. That's actually the first time it's completely failed. So it just refuses to reconnect to the wireless microphone. So I can, after a while, get it to connect, but then if I turn the camera off and then hit the record button, it doesn't reconnect when the camera powers on. So I'm just gonna keep it on for a little while and burn through my batteries instead. And then I'll have to figure out tonight or something what's going on. But I have plenty of batteries, so it's not really an issue, but it's a little bit annoying. Let's see, yeah, let's go. Yeah, okay, so what I tried to say when I found that this wasn't working at all was that, yeah, it was a good break. I had some tea and some chocolate cake, toilet break, and yeah, the bike was ready to go, of course. charging speed here in Iceland is pretty good. No overheating of the battery, so it's consistently fast. That's really nice. So yeah, really good thing about Iceland. So now I'm on my way to see a waterfall, or maybe 2 waterfalls that I'll see maybe I'll cut it today. It's nice. That was 2 pretty nice waterfalls, and yeah, Seljalandsfoss and one other that I can't really pronounce. I think the second one was the nicest. It was partly inside a cave, so yeah, it was really nice. So now I'm looking for a plane wreck that should be just up the road here. Okay, so that was the plane wreck. So the plane crashed in, I don't remember the year. Yeah, no idea about the year. But yeah, it crashed at an airport somewhere. It came off the runway and it was moved here for display at some point. So it didn't crash at this site. So yeah, 30 kilometers about, so let's go find a camp. Another great day on Iceland. Yeah, the most used web page is weather.is. Weather.is. It's the weather forecast. So I've been checking that every day and adjusting my route. So I've been trying to navigate around the rain. For the most time it has worked. Of course I haven't been able to escape it completely, but I think I've done pretty good so far. So let's see for the remaining days. Can my luck continue? I hope so. Okay, so the camp is here. Yeah, I don't see any power outlets, but that's fine. I'll charge tomorrow. We just passed the charger. So that's cool. Alright, it's a bit dark, so I don't know how well this will be, but yeah, I'm camping in close to the Skogafoss waterfall. It's super windy right now. So yeah, but I got some exercise in controlling the tent in wind here in Iceland, so all is good. So yeah, let me show you on the map where I went today. So today's ride, I started right here in Eyjarbakki, and then I went out like this towards Grindavik. Grindavik is here around. So yeah, the road here is closed, so I went up like this and out towards down to the Blue Lagoon. And yeah, I got to see some lava. Then I backtracked a bit up here, I guess, and then I followed the road east down to Seljalandsfoss. Visited that waterfall and another one, and yeah, ended the day here at Skogafoss. Yeah, that was it for this video. Hope you liked it, and see you next time. Bye!